Yo, what is up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to review my dividend portfolio from the months of December of 2023 all the way until May of 2024. And I'm going to be showing you the buys, the sells, and the dividend highlights month over month. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you the total amount of dividends I received in 2023 and also show you which user was the closest to guessing the dividends I received in the month of May to receive the Amazon gift card. My last dividend update was back in November. I finished the year strong by gaining $63.03 in dividends in a single month. The highlights for this month were Realty Income, I received $5.90, and SCHD, I received $10.54. On top of this, some of the sells I made were I sold my entire position of Kraft Heinz company, and also I sold Roblox for just under $46. Overall, it was a pretty good month, and I'm glad to have finished December the way that I did. Starting off the new year, my dividend total for the month of January was $70.61. The highlights for this month included Altria paying me $32.06, and on top of this, Realty Income paid me $6.17. In the month of January, I didn't sell any companies, but I have been dollar cost averaging into companies like Starbucks, Pepsi, Altria, and even Exxon Mobil, as I believe all four of these companies are going to be around for the next 10, maybe even 20 years because of how strong of a competitive edge that they all have. I firmly believe in these companies, and that's why I'm buying them hand over fist every single time they're on a discount. Ooh-wee. The month of love was the month that paid me the most amount in dividends in all time. February was a massive month. I earned $74.40. Not only was February such a significant month when it comes to dividend income, but it was a significant month solely because I got to sell at companies like X-Yield, Q-Yield, and HTGC, companies that I bought into at the beginning of my investment journey simply because the dividend yield was high. You see, that's the thing. When I started to look closer and closer into my investments, I realized that dividend yields just aren't worth it. I need to be focusing on the long term, focusing on staple companies like Pepsi, maybe even investing into index funds that are safer, or like I mentioned earlier, getting into CDs. And that's why when I sold X-Yield, Q-Yield, and HTGC, I put my money into those three investment vehicles because I felt safer with my money. To end off quarter one, the total dividend amount I received in the month of March was $72.77. In the entire quarter of quarter one, I earned $271.78. There were two dividends I received within the month of March that were significant. First being Realty Income, which paid me $7.43, and 3M, which paid me $7.13. Not only did I receive a lot of dividend income, but I also bought a 1-month CD, which yielded 5.3%. On top of this, I bought a lot of partial shares of Starbucks, Realty Income, and 3M because all these companies were on such a significant discount within the month of March. April marks the first month of quarter number 2, and within this month, I earned $79.88 worth of dividends. In addition to this, I opened a new position within Nutrien, and I dollar cost averaged into companies like Starbucks, Altria, and Realty Income, simply because they were all super low in price at the time. This sponsored message is brought to you by yours truly. Are you tired of watching your favorite finance creators buy companies that you have absolutely no idea what they are or what they do? Wouldn't it be so cool if you could comment on a video and they actually buy the stock that you recommend? Well, look no further because every single trading day I trade $1 for every 100 subscribers that we have. And every single stock that I've bought in that portfolio has been subscriber recommended. This could be you too. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, comment down below on my next video, and your comment will be featured in a future video. So, what are you waiting for? I'll see you there. Now, back to the rest of the video. My total dividend amount for 2023 was $545.28. It was made clear in the beginning of this video that there was a $25 Amazon giveaway to the person who was able to successfully guess the amount of dividends I received in May. There was one person who was only 5 cents away from guessing correctly. Shout out to Calvin, who guessed $81.24, when in reality, the dividends I received was $81.19. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you stayed all the way to the end, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Peace out.